In this video, I'll be showing you how to use quick login on Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, this is very simple to do and you can do this on console, mobile, or PC, anything like that. So what you basically just want to go ahead and do, I'll just be using my browser as an example. So I'll be using Google Chrome, and then you're going to be on this login to Roblox page where you can normally just, use your username and password. But if you want to use quick login, what you're going to have to do is press use another device. Now, once I go ahead and press use another device, it's going to give me two options. It's going to say scan this QR code from your logged in device's camera. So if I'm logged in on my phone, for example, I could just scan that QR code. And then it's also going to give me an option with like a little code. And what I have to do is open up my Roblox app, go to the more page, then quick sign in, and then enter my code. So you can do any of those. I'm going to quickly do the QR code example right now, and then it's going to just take you to your Roblox application, and then it's just going to say, quick sign in, and then all you got to do is confirm the login, and then literally just press confirm login on your phone. It's going to say login successful, and now as you can see, I'm logged in to my account. Just as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.